Do you want to unarchive a story on Instagram? You can do it in just a few simple steps. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now that you're on your profile, tap on the three-line menu in the top right corner. From the menu, scroll down and select Archive to access your archived stories. By default, the Stories archive will open, showing all of your past stories. Scroll through and find the story you want to unarchive. Once you've found it, tap on the story to open it. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the three-dot menu icon. From the options available, select Share to repost it. Your story will now open in a story editing screen, where you can resize it, add music, or place stickers. When you're happy with your edits, just tap Share to post your old story as new. And that's it. You've successfully unarchived and reposted a story on Instagram. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.